Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best engraving machine that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the LaserPecker 2 Deluxe Laser Engraver. This laser engraver is what I'd describe as small but terrible. It doesn't look as intimidating as the big engraving machines, but the hardware is of good quality. I also appreciate that it can be operated using a smartphone. The convenience improves the overall experience as compared to highly technical machines. There's little to no learning curve with the actual operation. Its software works, but expect some glitches and bugs. If you're an artist who sketches your own pattern, the software settings for importation, i.e., from Adobe Illustrator or other popular software options, can be more complicated. It's best to ask for help from their tech support. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ORTUR LaserMaster 2 Pro. For those who have experienced jewelry engraving and would like to upgrade, the ORTUR LaserMaster 2 is an excellent middle ground. It's not up there with professional laser engraving machines, but it's also an excellent tool by a known brand. It's also affordable for a high-quality device, which I appreciate. The only downside is that real beginners, those starting from scratch, may find this laser machine complicated. It requires a certain skill level to understand the tool thoroughly. At number 3, we have the Afantti micro-corded electric engraver pen. Since the first few machines aren't for beginners, here's a handheld engraving tool that anyone can operate. It's basically a pen tool that's easy to use as you etch on glass, ceramic, and wood. One thing to note is that it's not a laser engraver. It's an engraving pen with no laser technology or laser beam involved. It's also not one of those cutting tools. This pen engraver also comes with stencils, so you can be guided with the correct patterns despite being handheld. I actually prefer tools like this for etching on pendants and more delicate details. It enables a more freehand engraving process, prone to imperfections, but organic and genuine. It's also straightforward. I love that you don't need other programs or mechanical expertise to operate this. Anyone can have fun and experience a jewelry engraver. At number 2, we have the US stock Raycus 30W fiber laser marking machine engraver metal stainless steel. This tool allows me to engrave small serial numbers on jewelry like a pro. It's still straightforward and precise, as expected from fiber lasers. This laser engraving cutting machine is one of the best CNC machines for engraving jewelry. It specializes in engraving hard materials like steel, copper, gold, etc. A little heads up for EasyCAD full version users though, the control board that this machine comes in only has EasyCAD Lite. You'll need a separate purchase to upgrade. And finally, at number 1, we have the Triumph Fiber Laser Marking Machine. If you're not looking for a toy and are in the market for the best fiber laser engraving machine with more power, you can count on Triumph to deliver the best quality equipment. There's nothing else to say about it, really. When it comes to engraving jewelry, it produces the best quality outputs I've ever seen. This machine can handle everything from gold jewelry to metal jewelry to other hard materials. You can even cut pendants from scratch using this powerful tool. With its performance and high-speed efficiency, you can also quickly produce multiple custom engraving orders. Many business owners vouch for this laser engraver. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!